Today, we're going to draw two amazing pictures of Sonic and SpongeBob and share two beautiful stories about how to draw their pictures, told from their own perspectives. One sunny day in Green Hill Zone, Sonic decided to take a break from running and try something new. He found a cozy spot under a tree, pulled out some art supplies, and thought, why not make a drawing tutorial for my fans? Sonic wanted to show kids how to draw their favorite speedy hero in an easy drawing they could all enjoy. Let's turn this into a fun drawing for kids video, he said with a smile. Sonic began his drawing tutorial by sketching his outline. Grab your pencils and draw with me, he said in his cheerful voice. He showed how to start with simple shapes to form his face, body, and iconic shoes. Take it step by step, and don't worry if it's not perfect. That's the fun part of art, you learn as you go. Sonic's instructions were clear and playful, making it exciting for young artists to follow along. Next, Sonic showed everyone how to paint their drawings. Time to bring some color into our artwork, he exclaimed. He carefully painted his fur bright blue, added red to his shoes, and made sure every detail looked vibrant and fun. In this art tutorial, I'll show you how to blend colors to make your drawing pop, he explained, guiding kids to explore their creativity. By the end of the video, Sonic's drawing was complete. See? That wasn't so hard, he said, holding up his colorful masterpiece. He encouraged the kids to keep practicing and have fun. Art is all about expressing yourself, so make it your own. You can even add your favorite background to your Sonic drawing. Sonic's excitement made every young artist feel inspired to try something new. As the video ended, Sonic waved goodbye and promised more exciting lessons. Thanks for drawing with me. Don't forget to watch my next drawing video for more fun tips and tricks. Let's keep creating and making amazing art together. With that, he zipped off into the distance, ready for his next creative adventure. Stay with us as we dive into SpongeBob's wonderful drawing and a story narrated by SpongeBob himself just for you. One sunny day in Bikini Bottom, SpongeBob decided to create a drawing tutorial for kids. Hi, everyone. Today, I'm going to show you how to draw me, SpongeBob SquarePants, he said, holding up a blank piece of paper. Don't worry, it's going to be an easy drawing and I'll walk you through it step by step. SpongeBob grabbed his favorite markers and got ready to make his drawing video. So, let's get started. First, let's draw my body. I'm a square, so just draw a big rectangle in the middle of your paper, SpongeBob explained. Remember, this is drawing for kids, so you don't need to worry if it's not perfect. Now, let's add some details. I've got two big eyes, so draw two circles on top of your square. He showed the kids how to make the shape simple and fun. See? You're doing great. Now, let's continue. Next, it's time to add some color. SpongeBob continued, smiling. I'm yellow, so let's use a bright yellow marker for my body. For my pants, I use brown, and don't forget the red for my tie. You can choose any color you want, though. How to paint your SpongeBob is totally up to you. SpongeBob encouraged the kids to be creative and use their favorite colors. In this art tutorial, I want you to have fun and make it your own. As the drawing came together, SpongeBob added his arms and legs. Look at that! We've got my arms and my big, happy smile. You're almost finished, he said excitedly. Remember, art is all about having fun and expressing yourself. So, don't be afraid to add your own touches, like a Krabby Patty in my hand or some bubbles around me. Finally, SpongeBob held up his completed drawing and said, "Ta-da! This is me, SpongeBob SquarePants, ready for an adventure." I hope you all had fun learning how to draw me today. Keep practicing and remember, you can always learn drawing and get better every day. Thanks for joining me, and I can't wait to see what you create next. He waved happily, ready to start a new artistic adventure with his friends. Please subscribe, like, and share this video.